warning for central Richland County, Ashland County, northeastern Morrow County, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Plymouth to near Galleon, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles
Getting a little
per
cloudy,
hour.
but we're still a little bit ways away from the storms.
Indicated. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Ontario, Lexington, Hayesville, Savannah, Polk, Perrysville, Lucas, Jeromesville, Bailey Lakes, Mifflin, Roseburg, Moheganville, Nacogdoches, Shenandoah, and Olipsburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Morrow, and Richland.
So many alerts.